When writing in index form, you must put the letters, which are pronumerals, in alphabetical order. Whole numbers come before letters. Anything that is different to an ordinary number or letter must be in a bracket, such as fractions or negative numbers. I have 6 questions here, or 6 examples for us to have a look at. And I'll start here with question 1. So we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. I know that the base is the number 2, and I can see that 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So 2 to the power of 4. The second question here has pronumerals and not numbers. P times P times P times Y times Y. Well, alphabetically, P comes before Y. There are 3 P's, so P to the power of 3. And there are 2 Y's, so Y to the power of 2. Over here to the right, we have A times C times A times C. Well, A is alphabetically first, and I can see 1, 2. There are 2 A's, and the letter C comes second, and there are 2 letter C's. So A to the power of 2 and C to the power of 2. The next one has a number. It actually has 2 numbers, so numbers come first. I see the number 4 twice, so it's 4 to the power of 2. I then look at the other pronumerals, the other letters given to me, and P comes before W. So there's only 1 P. Now I don't need to write P to the power of 1. If there's 1 P standing alone, it simply sits there alone. And then we have the W, and that is to the power of 2. This one here has fractions. So again, if it's different to any ordinary number or letter, it must be put in a bracket. So I'm taking this fraction of 1/2, placing it in a bracket, and I see it 3 times, so the power sits on the outside of the bracket, so it's 1/2 to the power of 3. And the same thing goes for negative numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 lots of -3, so I open the bracket, put the -3 in the bracket, and place the 4 up the top, because the power tells me that that -3 is featured and multiplied by itself 4 times.